Hey there! Are you ready to transform your gifting experience? Buckle up because Giftpack's brand new How It Works page is live, making it easier than ever to discover the magic of personalized gifting. And no login is required. Let's dive in and see how Giftpack can transform your gifting experience. To access our How It Works page, navigate to our website and head to the Products tab. First things first, let's talk gifts. Our extensive global gift mall is your one-stop shop for inspiration. We have a large variety of products across many different categories. From gift cards and unforgettable experiences to books and the latest sports gear. No matter the occasion, you're sure to find something that suits your gifting needs. Scrolling down to the brandable products section, you'll find that we don't stop at individual gifts. You can also explore pre-curated gift boxes too. These themed collections take the guesswork out of choosing multiple items. Feeling inspired? Unleash your inner branding genius with our mock-up design feature. Simply upload your company logo, and like magic, it'll appear on all the products and gift boxes listed. For product details, click on the product listing to view procurement discounts and more. Seeking a packaging experience as unique as your gift? With our intuitive package design tool, you have full control to craft a bespoke package that embodies your brand or aligns perfectly with the taste of your recipient. Begin by selecting your box's size and style. Then hit Design It. Then click Add Images to upload your logo. Once uploaded, you'll have the opportunity to tweak your logo's placement on the box, as well as the package's colors, materials, and dimensions. As an added bonus, our tool also allows you to preview your design in 3D to ensure it's just right. Our final stop on our How It Works page concludes with smart gifting. Feel free to use this feature whenever you're unsure about what gift to choose. Think of our smart gifting engine as your personal gift-giving assistant. Simply provide some information about the gift recipient, such as their age, budget, occasion, their country, and any extra details you think are relevant. Our AI will then come up with tailored gift ideas at no cost to you. It's an efficient method to explore our smart gifting function with just a few clicks. And there you have it. These are just some of the amazing features waiting for you on our brand new How It Works page. So what are you waiting for? Head over there now, explore the possibilities, and experience the power of Giftpack. We can't wait to help you create unforgettable gifting experiences. From all of us at Giftpack, happy gifting!